Cold? We got a bunch of string. We'll cut some dead trees down.
That's a nice boulder.
That's a nice boulder. I like that boulder. All right, we're going to get a fire going so Jace can warm up. We're going to get traps set out. Get fishing.
What's cold on you, buddy?
Let's get her done. Ah, that's slippery. Hang on. Ow. I don't know if this paper's gonna work, but I didn't see any birch trees, did you?
I didn't.
This paper's wet.